Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic ZWCAD 2026, how to scale a drawing. So as example, I will create drawings. You can draw rectangle and I will set dimension into 20, also 20 for width. You can set the dimension linear into this drawing, type dimlin to create dimension linear. I will click from this point into here and also at this point. Now, if you want to scale this drawing, you can use scale tools, type scale, press enter, and select the objects. I will select this rectangle with the dimension. For base point, I will click in here and I will scale half. You can type 1/2. Press enter again. So it will be automatically scale half. If you want to make twice, you can type scale again, press enter, select the objects, enter again. For base point, I will click in here and you can type 2 to scale twice, press enter again. Okay, that's it for basic ZWCAD 2026, how to scale a drawing. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.